What's up guys, and welcome back to this week's video. Now based on the title of this video, we are doing a Stitch Fix review. If you guys aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a men's monthly subscription service, but it's kind of different from the other ones. You pay a $20 styling fee, and that styling fee obviously goes towards your stylist, but it also goes towards an item you purchase. Now in these boxes, they do everything. I mean, they do shoes, pants, jackets, socks, sweaters, t-shirts. They tell you the sizing, they tell you the brand, they tell you the price you want to pay. At any point you can obviously switch and rotate anything, but enough about that. If you guys want to check that out, obviously go to the website. Let's get into my box this month. Alright guys, now starting off, we're going to start off with the biggest item that we got, and it is these Tom's high top, kind of a canvas gray sneaker. Now these sneakers are pretty good. I haven't tried them on yet. I do like them. We'll get to the price points later, but like I said, kind of this nice canvas gray, just a great high top sneaker. So yeah, we'll get into that. Next we have a bit of the thing. Obviously, piece of paper, Stitch Fix sticker. So that's all it is. And out of that, starting off, we have this Julian and Mark, kind of like a heathered gray t-shirt, a little bit of a pocket, kind of a great starting t-shirt, rounded bottom. Yeah. Next, we have this flannel from Ezekiel, kind of a blue and orange, very light. It's not super heavy, but I mean it's a great piece to have regardless. I like the colors. I've heard of the brand. I think I've gotten something from them before, but I don't think I bought it just because I didn't like the price or something. But not sure how it fits. We'll try it on later and let you guys know how it goes. Moving on to more of a spring theme. We have these kind of, was it canvas green, or was it just has green? Hawker and Rye, I've heard of Hawker and Rye a lot, but it's really a Stitch Fix brand I love. Kind of a green short though, flat front, no pockets other than obviously the traditional ones. Yeah, green shorts, great for spring. And lastly, we have these Warp and Weft. It's kind of a weird name. Black skinny jeans. They are my size. Haven't tried them on yet. I mean, they feel pretty stretchy, but let's try everything on and see how it goes. Alright guys, here is the gray, kind of like a heathered dark gray t-shirt. It's a great fit, kind of a rounded bottom, but it fits great. There's no issues anywhere. Yeah. Alright guys, next we have that Ezekiel blue and orange kind of flannel. It is really light. I mean, trying this on, it's even lighter than I thought. Very breathable. I mean, if I put it up the light, I can kind of see through it a little bit. But size-wise, I mean, the sleeves aren't too bad. I mean, there's a little bit of wiggle room, which is fine. I think the bottom's where that's probably the most. It's just goes beyond crotch, As for bagginess, I mean, let's see here. Do a little one of these. I mean, it doesn't have to be skin tight, but I don't want it all the way out there. It's kind of pretty baggy. Personally, it is my size, but like I said, every brand runs differently in sizes. But yeah, still a nice color. I like the style. Maybe I'd probably just go for a small. Alright guys, here are the pants. You did see them when I tried on the shoes as well, just so you can see kind of what the length is like. But these pants are just absolutely super stretchy. I mean, I can do squats, anything. You could run all day in these. It's the kind of the beauty of pants nowadays. They're just kind of adding that stretch material, so it just makes jeans a lot more versatile. But yeah, great pair of pants. Nothing really to say. They're black. They fit great. Nothing too big around the waist. The length is good. Yeah, great pants. And then for these green shorts, I have a pair that are very similar actually, but these actually fit really well. I mean, like I said, they're comfortable. The pockets are nice. They go basically just at the knee. I mean, obviously if you go up, nothing. Great stretch as well. Like I said, just a great summer piece that I would keep, or spring. It's a different color than the khakis, the grays, the blues. Just a little bit different. It's not too crazy though. Would definitely probably wear it with a white t-shirt though. Probably one of my go-tos is white t-shirt, maybe some boat shoes. Alright guys, so for the five items, wow, I really can't speak today. For the 5 items that we got, let's take a look at the prices. So for the Tom's mid-top sneaker, they're $80. For Tom, that's really not bad. I mean, they're a great sneaker. I mean, they give a pair of shoes if you buy a pair. So it's kind of a nice thing to get. Secondly, those green chino shorts are $49. Pretty standard. I mean, I can live with that. I'd probably go. If I saw those in like Macy's or whatever, I'd probably buy them. The Ezekiel orange flannel, $48. Price is nice. Sizing is a little bit different, so like I said, if you ever see it, always try something on. You could always send it back and say, hey, I really like this. Maybe can you send me a size smaller and see how that works. For the Warped and Theft black skinny jeans, $74. You know, that's pretty average. I mean, I buy Levi's, those are like $60 a pair, so I mean, that's not too bad, and these fit great. Great stretch. And then for the dark gray Julian Mark t-shirt, $28. You know, like I said, pretty standard for prices. All together, before discounts and everything, it's $279. So you can do your $20 off, but if you buy all 5, or if you buy all the items that you get a 25%. So the total price after all the discounts and whatnot would be $189.25, which really isn't bad. That's like pretty good. It's like $100 off. You know, so you went from $279, basically $280 to like $190. That's not bad. Obviously, you still have to add sales and taxes and whatnot. But yeah, this was my 10th box, actually. I didn't realize this was my 10th box. It's only like my 2nd or 3rd box that I've actually uploaded, just because I wanted to try them out. And then the past couple boxes I have not been really impressed with. I haven't bought anything in like 2 or 3 boxes, just I haven't been impressed. This one I really like though. So what do you guys like out of this box? Would you guys do Stitch Fix? If you do, I'll leave a link down below. Basically it saves, or no, it gives you $20. No, hold on. Let me get this right. You know, let me check this. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is. You get your first $20 styling fee waived, and instead you get a $25 basically, I'd say coupon essentially. So you get your $25 and I get $25. So it's a great way to help me, help you, you know, the whole shebang. But that is it for this month of Stitch Fix. Like I said guys, that is it for this week's review on Stitch Fix. But the big announcement, the one you guys have all been waiting for, is the winner of this bottle of Cologne. Like I said, it's English Laundry or Oxford Blue, and the winner is Raymond Sinan. So like I said, get me your information and I will send this bottle to you absolutely free. And there's actually a little surprise. I was going through my colognes and whatnot, and I had a little tester bottle of this. So I'm sending that to somebody as well. I don't know who it's gonna be yet, but in other case, that's gonna be sent out. So like I said, if I contact you, get in touch with me and I will send those out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. We went up like 15 subscribers in a week. That's huge. For a small small channel like me, that means a lot. So like I said, thank you guys so much. It means a lot. It just means that now I have to do better content, better everything, you know. So that's in the works for probably next month or so. But a couple videos coming out is a Trendy Butler in the next week, and then a kind of surprise video that is a little bit different. But biggest thing is it's essential for you guys to stay subscribed to find out what it is and stay up to date on all my latest weekly content. But like I said guys, that is it. So until next time guys, we'll see ya.